Hello everyone, we're back. Do another video unboxing installation demonstration of this lock here. It's like a Hidalife fingerprint door lock. So I think it's got a Bluetooth capability and stuff. So let's go ahead and open this thing up here and check it out. Like the looks of these. Nice black, smooth like metal with like plastic here. Interesting looking. Got little some electronics in there. So I'm gonna check this out. Do an install on this thing and look at the keys for this. Kind of interesting looking keys for a door lock. So all right, we'll go ahead and show you how to install this and stuff and how it works. Probably the Bluetooth as well. And we'll be back. All right, we're back. So first step, I guess, is take your old doorknob off. Then you can install the new one. So, or the hardware, or whatever it is. So, just put that piece in there. All right, and I always like to make sure the door closes all right. Yeah, it looks like it'll close just fine. So, all right, that's the first part there. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the second one. All right, so now the second part here is you get the front. It's got this little twist tie around here on the wiring, so you just undo that. Step 2. So undo the little twist tie. You can get this straightened out, the wiring kind of. Okay, and then it says to take these two little pieces here and screw them into the sides here. So just hand tightening them. Okay, and then number 4, install the front handle wire through the square rod hole. So this is the front handle with the wire and stuff on it. Go ahead and install the wiring through the rod here. Kind of feed that into the hole, looks like. Okay, so that's like step 4, I think. Then open the plate from the back of the handle. So with this thing that they got, but just put your fingernail under there. It's just a magnet that holds it on there. Pretty well, actually. That's cool. Yeah, it's just got magnets here and here to hold this plate on here, so that's cool. Okay, then thread the front handle wire through the rod and the mortise lock. So just gonna go ahead and thread the handle through here. Okay, a little electrical piece, get that through first. Then thread this through the hole with the two, there we go. The post and these two pieces here need to all get lined up through here. So, all right. See you the next step. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. So then it says to go ahead and feed the wire through here. So there's the wire that comes through there on the other side. Okay. And next step says thread the wire through, insert the front handle wire into the corresponding socket in the back handle. So try and fit that into there. It's a tiny little plug. Okay. So just push that in there. At first, fasten the back handle and front handle with one screw. Okay. Then it says, then press the back handle and fasten with the other screw. All right, we're back with this lock. So Let me go ahead and see if we can get it to set here. So it says press the function key twice here. Okay, so it says, administrator, please press the fingerprints. So please open the door. Okay. All right, so it's utilizing the lock or whatever. So please add administrator, succeed. Please press user fingerprint, succeed. Pass. Any users can open the door under password mode. Key function, succeed. Turn on and off mute mode. There's no voice prompt when opening the door in the mute mode. So long press the function key would turn on off the mute mode. So okay, so it says silent mode is open. So okay, so my fingerprint opens it. The reset key is the little one there. We'll go ahead and long press that. I don't know how to get it back to voice mode. If I just hold this down for a minute, it'll do the voice mode. Okay. So I think the silent mode is fixed. There's long press that. Okay. Okay, Bluetooth function. That's what we want to go to. It says click reset key, identify administrator fingerprint, enter Bluetooth add mode, blue light flashes, add devices, succeed. So we're going to go ahead and try and do that. Let's see. Register to administrator. The first password you register on is administrator. Subsequent fingerprint registration and deletion requires administrator. So it said add administrator when I double click the function key. Then it had me press my fingerprint a bunch of times and then say success. So that I'm the administrator now. We have Bluetooth function. So click reset key once, it says. So then it says identify administrator fingerprint. Okay. Then enter Bluetooth mode. Okay, so blue light flashes. So I think I can go to Bluetooth on my phone here. So I'm going to go to the app. Okay, it says it wants me to add smart lock. Okay, so cool. It added the smart lock successfully. So I brought up the Tuya app. It just said exit the settings there. And it says just said add, and it did a little loading thing, and it did the added the lock successfully. Okay, so now it says I can press to unlock. Oh, cool. So yeah, I can just press and hold this to unlock it. That's really cool. So you I'll check out the other settings on the app that I can do here. So start adding Bluetooth devices. Okay, that's what I did. And then please allow the Bluetooth, turn the Bluetooth, open the Tuya app and choose auto scan. Okay, so turn on the Bluetooth here by pressing the little reset button there with like a pen or something, the little button that's in there. Then it'll say administrator key, thumbprint or whatever. You do that. And then it'll do accessing Bluetooth, then go on your phone on the app, and it'll identify the thing on the app. Then you click on that, it'll program it, and then you can interface between the two. Okay, so I added it successfully. Device list, Bluetooth unlocking, member management, add fingerprint, delete fingerprint, alarm record, opening record. Family members can see all the shared functions in my home. Family member sharing. So it has a bunch of different things here on the app. Let's see here. We can go to, let's see, can we go back here? Okay, so we got the smart lock. Okay, so member management we can go to. The user will be entered in the family group. So you'll be able to control and use all the functions in the family group. So I think this is for like if you have a bunch of different things you want to have on there and put your family members on the app. Opening, recording, intelligent linkage. So yeah, it's got some cool stuff on the app there. Like I said, the Tuya app, well, I don't know if I said it before. The Tuya app allows you to interface with a bunch of different options. But when I go to member management, okay, then you click on the device administrator. Okay, so you click on your email or whatever it is. Okay, then you go to fingerprint, add fingerprint if you want. Okay, I don't know if you see that. This is finger at the bottom, then you can press that and go into the app there. Then add finger. Let's see, so how to collect finger. First, find the fingerprint sensing area of the door lock according to the prompt, then use the same finger to completely touch the fingerprint recognition 6 times. Okay, so I'm gonna get my wife to do her finger real quick. We'll be right back. So I'm gonna do like start collecting. Okay. Okay, so please press the fingerprint here. And oh, I'll try again. Okay, start collecting. Okay. Kind of rotate your finger or to do different parts. Okay, so my wife was able to add successfully her fingerprint. So now let's see if she can actually unlock the door here. So you want to try and unlock it with your thumbprint there. Okay, so there you go. That was pretty simple. You can update, delete, or cancel fingerprints. So man, you can do all kinds of stuff on this app. That's really cool. Yeah, so let's see. I'm trying to figure out what else they want to show here. Yeah, you can delete fingerprint. You can do an alarm record, opening recording, family members. You can hook up all your family members on the device so they can use all the different devices and stuff like that. Family member sharing. So yeah, there's a lot of different functions on this. Really nice looking lock as well. Yeah, I really like the look of it. It's easy to operate. Just do your fingerprint, then you can open it from the outside there. It gives you a minute and then it disengages basically. So that's a cool function. Yeah, really like the lock. It has a key ability to open it with a key as well. Using the other side here of the handle, and then you can just turn it. And as you're turning it, keep it turned, and you can unlock the door. So there's that as well. Works really well. I like the look of it. Has different functions. You can hook it up to on your Tuya app and open it with your app. So super cool. Door lock, easy to install. It took me like a few minutes, if that. And it has all kinds of different functions. So highly recommend this. You can program a bunch of different fingerprints in there, get your whole family on there, whatever, or exclude those you want, and change in the apps whenever you want to as well. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped. Have a great day out there. Hey, bye.